So far as I have experienced, there is only one fear in our mind while speaking in English. That is fear of grammatical errors. Yes, friends, you heard right. Actually, there are many English learners, they say they hesitate while speaking. They have hesitation. And because of hesitation, they cannot talk in English. Friends, I think like there is nothing like that. Because if you had hesitation in your mind, then you won't be talking in your mother tongue as well. How proficiently you talk in your mother tongue, okay, because you have no fear of grammatical errors. But when it comes to speaking English language, we have fear of grammatical errors. Like, what if I speak is in place of are? What if I speak may in place of will? So people always keep on thinking about grammatical errors, and that's why we cannot speak in this language very proficiently. So friends, what things are needed to do? We have to avoid this fear. Initially, we should not be focused towards grammatical errors, because errors are very common for beginners. If you are a beginner, so errors, mistakes are obvious. You should not focus towards like errors. You should focus on expression. Like, you have to convey your message to others, whether you are speaking right or wrong, okay, whether your sentence is correct or incorrect. You have to be focused towards like conveying your message. Just try to convey your message to others, okay, whether your sentence is grammatically correct or incorrect, okay. If you speak like I will going to market tomorrow, okay, if you speak like I will going to market tomorrow, this sentence is grammatically incorrect, but your message is clear. You spoke what you want to speak, okay. So that's how, just try to convey your message in English. Just put yourself in a situation like you know nothing about Hindi language and you have to survive with English. So just accept this challenge and see what's going on come out. You may be thinking like if I speak incorrect English, so how will I improve my English? Friends, just inculcate the habit of listening, because we people are highly influenced by listening. If someone comes to you and say like that person is a thief, so definitely you will get alert. Oh my god, that person is a thief, definitely he will come to me and steal something from me. So you will get alert. How? Because you got influenced. That's why I'm telling you, people are highly influenced by listening. So every day if you listen something in English, like surround yourself with English content in a large amount. Like listen everything English. Just listen English news channels, English cricket commentary, like English people, English podcast, English audio story. So when you surround yourself with English content in a large amount, definitely you will be comfortable with this language, okay. And the thing you listen again and again, you will be accustomed with that language, and very easily with the passage of time you will be speaking. So you have to follow this step. If you really want to speak English very accurately, then you have to follow this step. And friends, one thing I would say here, like, don't check out the errors of others, okay, while talking to someone. When you are talking to someone, when someone says to you, when someone comes to you and speaks something in English, and suppose that he spoke incorrect English, so you just what do? You just try to improve. So don't do this kind of thing. Don't try to improve, because when you improve, maybe he will not speak again in English with you. That's why if you really want to improve your communication skill in English language, then you have to talk in English with your friends, whether you are speaking correct or incorrect, because with the passage of time you will correct your mistake. Because our mind is very sharp, friends. When we speak incorrectly, we just all of a sudden we start thinking like, oh my god, it is a slip of the tongue. I was supposed to speak are and I spoke is, okay. So you will automatically correct your mistake. So don't let your fear hold you back. Just let your passion drive you forward, okay. Keep moving forward. Just make more and more mistake, and just don't worry, don't get afraid of making mistakes. Like improve your mistake, learn from your mistake, okay, and keep moving forward. Friends, you have to listen a lot of things in English language, okay. Surround yourself with English content too much. and that's how you will improve yourself, because when we are listening something again and again, those things will fit in our mind, and automatically it comes out when we talk to someone. Okay, so you have to do these things, like don't find fault with others. Okay, don't check out the mistake of others, and keep listening something in English. Okay, even if it feels forced at first, भले ही आपको मतलब बहुत दबाव जैसा फील हो, पर you have to continue this kind of habit. If you change your habit once, definitely it will change your life. Okay, you can achieve everything whatever you are wishing. So just change your habit. If you are fond of listening something in Hindi, okay, watching in Hindi, reading in Hindi, so you have to replace the things. Just switch to English, and you will see mind-blowing changes. You will improve yourself day by day, step by step, and percentage by percentage. It happens with everyone, so definitely it will happen with you. In my initial stage, I was not very fluent in speaking. Even nowadays, I'm not very fluent. But yes, I have that capacity. I can like convey my message in English. Okay, I can communicate with someone in English. So you can also communicate with someone in English if you really follow this step. If you are very consistent, very punctual, and very dedicated towards this language, so definitely you will get result. Because if you are doing effort, if you are making conscious effort, so definitely you will see result. और आपने you may have heard like मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है, then definitely you will get good result. Okay, and just keep reading books, read loudly, because you have to do your English speaking practice. Okay, not only this, you are listening, you have to speak a lot. Just read book loudly. It seems to you like you are reading in a classroom. You are convincing so many students. Okay, you have to read book loudly, and you will do exercise of your speaking muscles when you are reading. Okay, and friends, you are doing 3 kinds of activity when you are reading, like you are listening, speaking, and reading. Okay, you are gaining knowledge, you are gaining very data information in your mind, collect information in your mind, and when accurate time approaches to you, definitely you will speak automatically in English language. So it happens to everyone. Just keep listening, reading, and speaking. Definitely you will see mind-blowing result one day. Nothing happens in one day, but everything happens one day. Okay, in one day nothing is possible, but one day everything is possible. So you have to continue your learning journey. Keep reading, listening, and speaking. Definitely you will see mind-blowing result. So if you really liked my speech, so please give me a like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling.